Hi beauty, welcome to my space on the internet. My name is Izine, but of course you know you can call me Shuga. I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. And as you must have already been able to tell from the title of this video and the thumbnail, today we are talking about how to pamper your lips, how to keep your lips looking smooth, soft, pink and supple. Now if that is why you clicked on this video to watch it, then do not click away. Hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this community. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a new interesting video comes up on this channel. And most importantly, you need to catch up on all the videos you've not watched on this channel, and also share anyone that you find intriguing out, okay? Please, and please, I beg you, do not skip any part of this video. Help us hit our next milestone on this platform. And with that said, you guys, let's head straight into the video for today. Now let me tell you, a lot of us are in the habit of ignoring our lips, okay? We don't take care of our lips year in, year out, except when it comes to the Harmattan period, okay? And this is just the perfect time for this video if you are watching me from Nigeria or from Africa, because we are currently in the dry season, or the Harmattan season like it is also popularly called. When your skin is drying out, your lips dry out, you might get cracked knees or feet, okay, if you do not take care of this part of your body. But today in this video we are focusing on the lips. Yes, the lips. You need to stop ignoring your lips. You need to pamper your lips. You need to take care of your lips. I mean, it is always a very gory sight when you see someone who is all made up, who is nice, who is looking good, but there are cracks on their lips. My darling, don't do that. Don't do that. This is the 21st century, not just the 21st century, the Gen Z century, and you don't want to be caught looking unfresh, okay? No matter the budget you're working with when it comes to taking care of yourself, no matter what it is that you think you can afford. And of course, that is why I am here for you. Now, the first thing that you need to do to take care of your lips is to exfoliate. Yes, you can use DIY tips, okay? Is to exfoliate. Yes, there are tons of DIY tips on how to exfoliate your lips scattered all over the internet. But if you want me to bring some of those to you, let me know in the comment section. But it is also worthy of note to know that I actually have on this channel a DIY where I let you know that that particular DIY scrub can also be used for the lips, to make your lips pink, to make your lips softer, and to make it more supple and fresh, okay? Now, the first thing you want to do, whether your lips are cracking or not, is to get a brush, like a normal regular toothbrush, but of course you must look out for the one that is soft, and then use it to scrub your lips, okay? Using your scrub, use it to put it in your scrub and scrub your lips in a circular motion. Scrub your lips for like 30 seconds, then you can rinse it off. Do this at least 2 to 3 times every week, and within the next 2 weeks, I'm telling you that because you're going to see results, okay? And this is especially if your lips are already severely cracked. If they are not severely cracked, within the first few days of actually exfoliating your lips, you are going to see results from it. Now, the next step that follows as soon as you're done exfoliating your lips is to moisturize. Now, the reason why your lips are cracking is because they are losing moisture, okay? Maybe from working under the sun, you know, because of the harsh weather, okay, that is very drying, and you're not doing anything to either lock in already existing moisture coming out from your body. What you want to do is to apply a good moisturizer when you're done exfoliating, or even if you did not exfoliate. Heck, you cannot leave your house every day, whether it is in the rainy season or during the dry or Harmattan season. You cannot leave your house with a dried lips. Even if your lips feel like they are healthy, nothing is wrong with them, and they're not cracking yet, you need to apply a moisturizer on your lips. What this does is that it helps to lock in moisture into your lips, and it keeps your lips hydrated all through the day, and that is a huge relief for chapped lips, and it's going to help those chapped lips or cracked lips to heal quickly and even properly. Now, another very important thing that we need to do is to apply SPF on our lips. Now, I'm not saying you should go and apply sunscreen on your lips. Remember, lip balms are like the SPFs for your lips, especially if you know you are stepping out of your house. I don't want to know if you're going to the grocery store to buy things, or you're going to the market, or you're going to work. So long as you're stepping out of your house, please make use of a lip balm. What it does is that it helps to protect the ultraviolet rays of the sun from actually hitting or doing any damage to your lips, and also stops your lips from drying out, okay? Now, one of the very common things that you should have in your house, even if you cannot afford lip gloss, because I know you should be able to afford lip gloss. Lip gloss is like 200 naira. at the cheapest, okay, and that's less than $1 right now, okay. So you should be able to afford that some way. And even if you cannot, remember I've always said that Vaseline is a staple skincare ingredient that you need to have in your house, whether you're single or married, old or young. Vaseline should never be found lacking in your house. Now if you have Vaseline in your house, Vaseline covers both as a moisturizer, as a lip balm, as a lip gloss, okay, to take care of your lips and also your chapped feet as well. So please, if you do not have Vaseline, I'm telling you again, go and stock Vaseline. Make sure that you go and stock Vaseline today, okay. Now of course, just as much as you use a lip balm, you can also go in with a lip gloss to seal in everything, to lock in everything, so that your lips stay softer and fresher and more hydrated for a longer period of time during the day, so that you might not even necessarily need to reapply, okay, your lip balm or your lip gloss if you do a good job, okay, at layering all of these, the moisturizer and the lip gloss, properly before you leave the house. Also very important, my darling, there are people that do something, they can be saying me this thing now. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop doing that. Okay, stop licking your lips. Licking your lips is bad, okay, for you, and it's also bad for other people. I mean, because your saliva is actually drying. Yes, your saliva dries out your lips, and let me tell you, your saliva also comes with a unique odor, and that is also the reason why sometimes when you don't brush properly or you don't take care of the inside of your mouth properly, your mouth begins to smell. It is your saliva that is smelling. So you don't want somebody sitting or standing beside you and they are perceiving the aroma of your saliva on your lips. Ew. It feels so disgusting or irritating saying it already. So please stop licking your lips. And in as much as I've also said that we need to use, you know, the SPFs like the lip balm, the lip gloss and moisturizer on your lips, please be careful not to use harsh products on your lips, okay. Products with high content of alcohol or paraben, please do not use them on your lips. They are going to do more damage than good to your lips. And most important of all, I'm going to end this video by telling you to please drink a lot of water. Yes, drink a lot of water to stay hydrated as much as you can. What you see outside your body is a reflection of what is going on inside your body. So if your inner parts are well hydrated, it is going to show from the outside. So it is very important that you drink a lot of water, not even just because of your lip, but because you need to stay healthy and you need your body to always function at its maximal capacity, especially because we are now in the dry season or the harmattan season. Like I said, if there are other tips, okay, or other information that you like to share about how we can take care of our lips, please let us know in the comment section below, and we'll be so happy, okay, to share that information with you. Also, do not forget, my darlings, if there are other things you want us to talk about, skincare and, you know, beauty, please let us know in the comment section below, and we are going to be getting to it. And now, you guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video to the end, my darlings. Did you find it helpful? Let me know in the comment section below if you did find it helpful, if you did enjoy, or you were able to relate to any of the things I was able to say in this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the bell notification. Please share out this video, I beg you. Yes, please share out this video. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.